in this video I will be using this contraption. One of the benefits of this design is that it fits into a backpack. With this painting?
Yeah, to drop the paint from up above in a cup and pour it on and let it just go. That's it.
I'm ready. That's it?
Well, the story is that you photograph buildings, the buildings surrounding Central Park that look like castles, and the nature of the story is that the perimeter of the park is a few buildings.
Let's talk about the camera setup. I have two Omni microphones, XLR, small condenser, Sennheiser mkh8020. They have a good frequency pickup, also very good self noise, mounted on these shock mounts, so you can do handheld operation. Connected to ZoomF3 field recorder. You can actually have a line out going into the microphone port in the camera if you don't want to sync later, but today I'm gonna be syncing, so it's a little extra work, but you can record more sample rates. Like for this video I'm recording 96 kilohertz. The camera can only do 48 kilohertz, so there's more possibilities with this device. It's also 32-bit. In general, just much more that you can do with this instead of just connecting it to the camera. Camera is a A7S3 Sony full frame with a crop lens, so APS-C pancake 20mm. It's just very light.